Peel open your eyes and your mind to the realism of the Nintendo 64 with Super Mario 64.
Mario!
Drown in a fully 3D environment with 15 worlds of borderline unacceptable graphics and 10 smaller areas. Move to your heart's content because God is watching as you embark on Mario's Day Off. Recover all the stars and brutally execute your mortal enemy, Bowser.
So long!
Mario acquires special abilities when changing his hat. Defy God by flying. Use the invisible hat to hide from your sins, and never die with the metal cap. Use these powers to re-establish totalitarianism over the Mushroom Kingdoms through Mario's unstoppable force. The 64 Rumble Pack and the full-body Mario suit lets you experience Mario's pain like never before in Super Mario 64.